Hi children, in previous class we had discussed about the separation of mixtures by centrifugation technique. In today's class we will discuss separation of mixtures by separating funnel. Okay, by using this separating funnel technique we can separate the mixture of two immiscible liquids. Okay, example for the immiscible liquids are mixture of kerosene oil and water. Mixture of kerosene oil and water. Okay, it is an example for the immiscible liquid. Okay, so we have other examples also. For example, cooking oil and water mixture. It is also an example for immiscible liquid. And this separating funnel, this technique is based on the principle that immiscible liquids separate out in layers depending on their densities. Okay, here the immiscible liquids, they separate out in layers depending on their densities. Okay, the liquid with greater density, with higher density, will settle at the bottom. In separating funnel. Okay, above this layer, the liquid which is having lower density will settle. Okay, like this the mixtures or immiscible mixtures are separated. Okay, now we will see how this technique works with an example. Okay, that is separation of kerosene oil from water. Okay, children, I will send you the photo of that experimental arrangement for the separating funnel technique. Now I will draw the diagram here. Children, see here. This is the separating funnel and this is the stand and this is the clamp and this is the beaker. This is the beaker. Okay. So here the mixture of kerosene and oil is placed inside this separating funnel. Okay, the mixture of kerosene and oil is placed inside this separating funnel, and for a 1 minute we have to shake this separating funnel so that kerosene oil and water mixes. Okay, and after 1 minute we have to fix this separating funnel with the help of this stand. Okay, and we have to leave this separating funnel undisturbed for an hour. Okay, after 1 hour we'll observe that the water layer is separated, and this water layer and kerosene layer, okay, this kerosene and water, they are separated and they forms two separate layers. Okay, and the water layer, it is collected at the bottom. Okay, this is water layer, and above the water layer kerosene layer is separated. Children, since density of the water is greater than the kerosene oil, that's why the water layer is collected at the bottom in separating funnel, and kerosene layer, it is collected above the water layer. Okay, so here this separation of kerosene from water, it works on the density. So due to their difference in densities, this water layer gets collected first, and next above that water layer kerosene layer gets collected. And with the help of this knob, okay, we have to collect the water in this beaker. Okay, and we have to close this knob after collecting this water completely, and after that inside this separating funnel kerosene oil is only will find the kerosene oil. Okay, like this we can separate the two immiscible liquids by using this separating funnel technique. Children, now we will see the applications of separating funnel technique. Okay, children, we can use this technique to separate mixture of oil and water. In example, we have taken the kerosene oil. Instead of kerosene oil, we can also take cooking oil or castor oil. Okay, other oils also we can take. And one more use, it is used in extraction of, this technique is used in extraction of iron from its ore. In metallurgy is the branch which deals with the extraction of metals from their ores. Okay, in metallurgy also we can use this separating funnel technique, and in the extraction of iron from its ore we can this separating funnel technique can be used. Okay, here the lighter slag means unwanted material or impurity. Okay, is removed from the top by this method. Okay, here the iron, this technique is used in the extraction of iron from its ore. Okay, usually what happens in ore, along with this iron ore and iron compound, other impurities are present like mud and wood pieces, small wood pieces. Okay, with the help of this separating technique, we can separate those lighter slag. Slag means impurities. Okay, with the help of this separating technique, we can remove this lighter slag. Okay, because this heavier iron ore or iron compound, it is collected at the bottom, and above that layer of this iron compound, slag or this lighter impurities are collected. So we can separate this slag from iron ores or iron compounds during the extraction of iron from its ore. Okay, children, today we will stop here. In next class we will see the other techniques. Okay, we are having sublimation, chromatography and distillation. Okay, and one more crystallization we will discuss in next classes.